Alright, look in the corner. Do you see that? Do you see
that little bitty thing right there?
Look at, just watch it though. You'll see his mouth move when he croaks. It'll croak.
I caught that.
Now he's not gonna do it.
That little bitty, because I'm right here. Oh, he just went under the water.